Hey, good looking. I'm so glad that you came to my kitchen today to sit there and see what we all have cooking. Grab a hold of that vine, swing right on in my kitchen, and let's get cooking. Good looking. Well, hey there, good looking. You didn't think that we were just gonna sit there and can up that Cheez Whiz without giving it a try. Of course not, don't be silly. I have the Cheez Whiz right here. I have some crackers. I'm going to put some of the Cheez Whiz in to the bowl, and we'll be back, and we're going to give it a taste test. But before I open up this beautiful jar of Cheez Whiz, I just want you to sit there and take a look. I mean, look at all that gorgeous cheese and that beautiful canning jar. Okay, enough with the chit chat. Here's the inside of what it looks like. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put some of this gorgeous cheese sauce, or Cheez Whiz I should say, right into the blue bowl. There it is, in the nice little pretty bowl on the nice little pretty plate. Now, have you guessed how much we love our cheese up here in the frozen tundra? We consider cheese a staple. So I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna grab some of the cheese sauce. I don't know why I keep calling it cheese sauce. I guess I call it cheese sauce because of all the cheeses I've been canning up. But this is Cheez Whiz. Now let's just take a look of it on the cracker. It's a good thing to bring out when you have unexpected guests stop over and you want to sit there and serve them something. Okay, the husband's gonna give it a try.
Good.
I know it's good. Now, we also have plans with the rest of that jar, and we're going to be using it up on what I have planned up for supper. He's already grabbing the knife out of my hand. But I did up another cracker. So, if you liked what you saw here today, please give me a thumbs up. Every thumbs up helps my channel out. If you're not yet a subscriber, go up, hit that subscribe button, tap that little bell. That way you always be notified every time I do put out a video. And as always, here's to happy cooking, but better yet, happy eatings. Y'all come back now, you hear?